The autonomic nervous system controls body functions without conscious effort. It keeps you alive by regulating your heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for action. It increases heart rate, widens the pupils, and releases energy during stress. The parasympathetic nervous system helps the body rest and recover. It slows the heart, supports digestion, and restores normal body functions. During danger, the sympathetic system activates the fight-or-flight response. Blood flow shifts to the muscles, and the body becomes ready to react instantly. After the danger has passed, the parasympathetic system takes over. It conserves energy, promotes healing, and returns the body to a calm state. Together, the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems maintain balance throughout the body. This constant regulation helps every organ function efficiently day and night,